Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing in so you can access scans and API limits. This matters because unauthenticated use is rate limited. Once signed in, collect the file or copy the URL you need to test and decide visibility. Public shares results, private keeps it internal. Click Upload or drag the file into the window. For URLs, paste into the URL field and submit. Make sure to note the generated analysis ID or permalink for later reference and automation. Once the scan completes, look at the detection ratio at the top to get a quick yes or no signal, but do not stop there. Scroll through individual engine outputs to spot consistent patterns. Engines disagree sometimes. Then open Metadata, Behavior, and Community tabs to see file size, signatures, process traces, and user notes. These explain how a verdict was reached. If the file is old, check first submission dates and the relations graph to see families or connected samples. You wrap up by turning analysis into action. If multiple engines flag malware, quarantine the item and follow your cleanup checklist. Remove persistence and rotate credentials if needed. If findings conflict, request reanalysis or report suspected false positives to the engine vendors through the provided links. Make sure to save the permalink for records. If an upload fails, check the file size limit, retry without VPN or proxy, and verify your API key and permissions before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.